Hi, students. Today we have Manoj with us. Manoj cracked SSC JE in 2024 and he got selected in MES. His rank is 813. Overall rank is 813. Civil engineering branch rank is 149. He is from JNTU Vijayanagara. And the important point is he is a student. In 2020, he took GATE coaching in Vizag and he joined GATE coaching while he was in third year of engineering. So after that, he completed MTech also from IIT Delhi in construction management. So later on, he joined in L&T. Presently, he is working in L&T. While doing a job, that too hectic job in a private sector, he prepared for SSC JE and hit MES. So Manoj, congrats.
Thank you very much, sir.
So welcome, Manoj.
Thank
Manoj,
you. Sure.
so how are you feeling now after hitting MES?
Sir, it is my first attempt, success in government sector, government exams. So it feels me very proud in getting this exam. So it will be the pathway for the future exams and what I dreamt for.
Very good. So this is not a full stop, it is a just pause.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is a stepping stone for your future.
Sir.
Well, Manoj,
Yes, sir.
for SSC JE, how
Yes, sir.
many months of time you have spent? Actually, you have qualified SSC JE in 2022, na?
22. 22.
22. 22 also. Qualified in prelims and just narrowly missed in mains. But
Yes,
this
sir.
time you have cleared it.
Yes, sir.
So what is the strategy you can follow for the preparation, SSC JE? First,
Sir,
you tell me for prelims and then for mains.
sir. Sir, firstly, for prelims, I focused on the areas where I lacked in gate areas. Like in prelims, we have three sections like general awareness, general reasoning, and technical. I was somewhat
Okay,
good in technical side. So I
very
started
good.
preparing for reasoning and then general awareness. So I took previous year's question papers and then I solved it. So based on that question level, if I don't know about the topic, I go through the topic and then revise it. So
So reverse
similar,
engineering
yes, sir.
from questions back to the fundamental and then becoming expert in that area. Very
Yes,
nice,
sir.
Manoj.
Yes, sir. Similar thing happened to general reasoning also, general reasoning and general awareness also. So yeah, general reasoning I gave full efforts and general awareness I was not good in current affairs. So I thought I go through the areas where I was somewhat good at. So I took some subjects like biology, physics, chemistry, general science area. So I was strongly uh, seen through the subject. So it was
Okay,
helped me through a lot in final.
okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
actually the
Coming to the
prelims,
second, yes, sir.
yes. In prelims, the time is a critical criteria, na?
Yes, sir. Very time bound thing.
And what is the way you have chosen to answer in the exam, prelims exam, the
Sir,
sequence?
first I gone through the general reasoning, and at a fast pace, in about 40 to 45 minutes, I gone through the reasoning part.
Very good.
And then at a very fast pace, I gone through the general awareness area, and then around
Okay.
10 to 15 minutes, very short time.
Only 10 to 15 minutes
Yes, sir.
to clear 50 questions.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You might have saved time there.
Yes, sir. And then around 50 to 55 minutes for technical.
Okay.
So I have at the last I have around 10 to 15 minutes for seeing whatever the questions I reviewed first, and then seeing the questions. And questions where I have doubted. So I have gone through in that 10 to 15 minutes time break.
So what is the reason for choosing reasoning first?
Sir, it was like reasoning is somewhat area. If you don't know, if you can't get that idea, you can't uh, you can't solve that question. So
Okay,
if I have very less time in the time, I was somewhat tense or worried. So that's the reason why I took the topic very fast. So even
very
if I
good.
have less time, even I have less time, I was somewhat good at technical, so that I can give the time in technical. I can use the time in technical. So it will
Very
be good.
nice.
Yes, sir.
How many marks you got in reasoning
Sir,
out
reasoning
of
50
50?
out of 50, sir. Out
50
of
out of
50.
50. Super, super,
Yes,
Manoj.
sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
great.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very nice. So as you are very strong in reasoning, you might have chosen reasoning as the first.
Reasoning. Yes,
And
sir.
then general. There you have
Yes,
saved
sir.
time.
General, sir. There I have saved time, sir.
And coming to technical,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
you have two type of questions, theory questions and numerical questions. And at the same time, calculator is also not allowed. And
Not
another
allowed.
fear is negative marking. There may be one
Yes,
fourth
sir.
of negative marking in the prelims. How did you
Yes, sir.
manage here? And what is the way you have taken the questions?
Sir, coming to SSC JE prelims side, the numerical part is very you can get around 10%, 10 to 15%. That too very handy calculations that you can do it
Okay.
normally. That you can do it
Okay.
normally. So I didn't give time for numerical separately. I have gone through every question. If I know about the question, I have done it. So nothing
Okay.
like I
As
can
it comes, you
see
have taken. It is not like
yes,
that
sir.
segregating numericals and answering later.
Yes, sir. Because it is like handy calculations only. If I have left it, even if I know the question, if I left it, it will be a waste of time.
Very nice. Very nice. So after completion of the three topics, you are left over with 10 to 15 minutes of time. It's very
Yes, sir.
nice.
10.
So that 10 to 15 minutes of time helped you for improving.
Yes, sir. It helped me in seeing the questions what I have reviewed for, and then I have somewhat doubt in some questions, sir, so it is very helpful for me.
Review questions.
Review questions and
So finally,
yes, sir.
in the prelims, after completion of the prelims, after looking
Yes, sir.
into your key and answer key,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you got full confidence that I can hit the target.
Yes, sir. I was very full much confident. I got good marks in
So
prelims
totally, how many
compared
marks
to
you got
pre.
in prelims this time?
Yes, sir. I got 138.75 marks, sir.
Very nice. Good. Last year.
Last year it was around 111, sir. 110, 111, 110 marks.
Okay. Very great improvement. So
Yes, sir.
after the prelims is over, this year,
Yes, sir.
this year you got this time you got enough of time, around 5 months of time was available. How
Yes, sir.
did you manage that time? Because you are working in L&T,
Yes, sir.
so working in a private sector, entry is fixed. Exit may not be known to us.
Yes, sir.
So how did you manage the time?
Sir, initially after getting my result, my marks in SSC prelims, I was very sure that I must clear this exam at any cost. So at that moment only, I started preparing for exam, and at that time, mains date was not yet announced at that time.
Yes, yes, very
So I
lately
thought like
announced.
it must be it must be like very soon. Like compared to previous year, it was only 17 days of time gap only from the prelims
Okay.
result and then mains exam. It was only 17 days in
Hmm.
2023. So I thought like
Okay.
it will be very soon. My exam might be very soon. So I started preparing at that time only. So even after
Okay.
coming here, I started preparing at a very fast pace. So then after 2 months, I think so, it was main date was announced in August, I think so. So
Hmm.
then I have ample amount of time. So I prepared very leisure and then I taken test series.
So how many hours per day while working? You
So,
might be having very less time now. How many hours of average hours of time per day you spared?
sir, in lunch break, I have gone through the test series what I read last day night.
Okay.
In lunch
Have you
break, I
taken
have
any
gone to
leave
the.
during this time?
No, sir. No. No.
While working itself, you have prepared.
Yes, sir.
That means hardly 1 2 hours per day you might have got it during
Yes, sir.
working days.
In the night time, I got 2 hours of time. So I gone through in 1 hour. I gone through test series, and in another hour, I gone through short notes like
Very
that.
good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So you have prepared short notes.
Yes, sir. I have prepared short notes during my BTech itself.
During your BTech time itself, you have prepared. That is a, what do you say, lifetime achievement. So if you have short notes with you, you can
Yes, sir.
prepare it for, you can use it for any exam. That is the advantage of short notes. The
You can use it
aspirants,
anytime.
please note this point. And Manoj,
Yes, sir.
have you prepared short notes in a separate notebook or otherwise loose sheets or something else?
Loose sheets only, sir. Don't know
Loose
what
sheets
is the
only?
reason. I just randomly picked during my BTech. So it helped
Okay.
me a lot so that I can add or delete pages. So
Okay, okay. You can add and delete the pages. So that's why you have
whatever and
made it everything in loose
then
sheets. You can replace
loose
also
sheets.
sometimes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But securing the loose sheets is a big problem then.
Yes, sir. I made it in a folder.
Okay, okay,
Sometimes,
okay. So during your mains preparation and prelims preparation, have you gone through the textbooks?
sometimes, sir, if I got to know about the detailed one or any code book
Okay,
in
okay.
any topic, as I got to know about the detailed thing, I just randomly searched in Google or something like that, and I got to know about.
Otherwise, notebook only.
Otherwise, notebook only.
Yes, notebook. Yes, classroom notebook.
And volume books are also there, sir, with me.
Volume
So
one, volume two. Those
volume
books
books.
also helped you a lot.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
finally, at the end, your short notes.
Yes, sir. Short notes.
And coming to the mains exam, how did you prepare? What was your strategy? Here, calculator is allowed. You have
Yes, sir.
slightly enough of time to answer each and every question.
Yes, sir.
Have you gone through the ESC questions or any other
Uh,
questions?
no, sir. No, I didn't bother about the ESC questions. Very less chance you can get the ESC level questions. Here,
Mm,
and the good thing is, recently, it is the second time mains has given objective type of questions.
yes, yes.
So it is the beneficial thing for the GATE and ESC aspirants to crack this exam.
Very
So
good.
yeah, so first of all, I gone through the previous year paper. That is first
Mm,
time what mains has given objective type of paper, and I have gone through the questions. What is the level?
okay,
What is the level from and each subject? How much is the weightage? So I have
okay.
gone through the weightage and everything. So I have prepared each and every subject, starting
Without
from
leaving anything.
without leaving anything. I have started each and everything, and I started studying study notes also in that pattern, short notes, and then I started giving test series.
Okay. Mm.
Uh,
Test series is
uh,
very important.
Test series and short notes is the key thing.
Okay. What is the advantage of test
Sir,
series?
in while studying the topic, you might not know what is the mistake in that.
Yes. Mm.
While giving test series, if some question comes, even if you know the topic, if that answer is not matching with your level of understanding, so it will help you there. It will give you teaching the mistake whatever you studied.
Okay. So the test series is also very, very important aspect to hit the target
Yes, sir. It will teach you the mistake what you studied.
for the study.
So,
Coming to the preparation for the mains and the prelims, especially in the core technical area, what are the subjects you need to mainly concentrate? You just now told, don't leave any subject. I have prepared all the subjects, but however, there may be some high important subjects and some low important subjects. Can you segregate and say something about that?
sir, based on SSC JE job level and the job skill, so whatever the subjects that came in through execution work, like
Okay,
concrete technology, building materials,
very good.
estimation, costing, and valuation.
Okay.
RCC, reinforced cement and concrete, fluid mechanics. These are the
Okay.
subjects they will give you the most weightage. So you need to
Okay.
prepare those subjects. As also previous year also they gave it is a more weightage, and also the other subjects also you need to focus, because even if you miss 2 or 3 questions, it will be a big loss to you.
Okay. What are the lesser important subjects where you can take less look at it?
Sir, we can't say like that it is a less weightage, but we need also keep uh, same time as the weightage it is. Likewise, we need to focus on steel subject, hydrology, some
Okay.
structural analysis.
Okay.
Structural
Okay.
analysis is 0% this year.
Okay. Okay. But however,
So
you
you
need
need to
to, so
see
without taking chance, you need to go through all the subjects. That is a point to,
minimum yes, sir. Minimum basics we need to study in the lesser weighted subject.
okay. So during the mains exam,
Yes,
what was
sir.
your strategy? First theory or numerical, or otherwise, as you said, uh,
Uh,
take as it comes.
sir, take as it comes only, sir.
Take as it comes only. If numerical comes,
If numerical comes, that is also like handy calculation, sir.
mhm.
Like
But
very
online
10 to
calculator is
15
allowed.
minutes.
It was there.
It was there online calculations also, but it was also handy calculator. Handy calculations we can do.
So you are not using that
Here also,
calculator.
sometimes a very rare question.
Mhm. Especially with the
Here
powers.
also, yeah, here also uh, it was like the same weightage as prelims, like a very 10 to 20 questions only the numerical came last year and also
Okay.
previous year. And the rest
Okay.
all are technical questions. And main thing in mains, you need to focus on assumption and reason based questions, statement based
Oh,
questions,
okay. Okay. Statement based. Assertion and
statement
reasoning
based.
type of questions are coming.
Yes, sir. Like statements only,
Okay.
based on the statements only.
Okay. Okay.
Statements
Okay.
only. They didn't name it as assumption and reason. They just simply
But
kept as
no need
statement.
to go to the level of ESC
No need to go to
in
the
the
level of ES
preparation time.
in the preparation lab. Yes, sir.
Definitely no need. No need
No
of
need.
going to very critical.
Very
Uh,
critical level, but you can practice at your risk, for your better.
yes.
You can
Yes.
prepare that.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
And Manoj,
yes, sir.
so during your preparation, there may be some ups and downs,
Yes, sir.
especially in the mental status because of the hectic work and during the
Yes, sir.
preparation and time problem. So, how
Yes,
did you
sir.
manage your stress level?
Yes, sir. During presents, it was very normal. Like I was
Hmm.
in
You're
college,
not taken at
so I
all,
played.
not taken tension at all.
Not taken test, not also.
Okay, very good, very
So
good.
uh, at that prelim stage, it was okay. So we played during each and every day. So we prepared. So it was okay during prelims. But after coming to main, I was started job. So
Okay,
yeah, hardly I get 1 hour, 1.5 an hour to spend for games or entertainment or whatever I think. So that 2 months I didn't plan any entertainment or sports.
sports
So
means is it uh, video games or otherwise live games?
no sir, live games only.
Live games, outdoor games only.
Outdoor games only.
Which games mainly?
Uh, Mainly
Cricket,
badminton, sir.
badminton.
Badminton, and cricket.
Very nice, Manoj. And how ACE coaching helped you?
Sir, first of all, a big thanks to S Academy. It helped me a lot during my BTech stage itself. Like whatever the concept that I got not understood in my college, it helped me better in his engineering academy. So I used those notes while clearing my semester exams. So it
Okay,
helped me a better way in BTech itself. Later, I improved my learning and the way of understanding for that particular topic or subject. For that level,
okay.
it is a past one for me.
And you have taken SSC JE self-paced course
Yes, sir.
in
During
2022, you told.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was
So
general awareness.
was it helpful?
Yes, sir. It was helpful for. I don't know for SSC JE. I just took a course for because of that I was somewhat bad in general studies, general science and general
Mm-hmm.
awareness.
Mm-hmm.
So I took that course. I thought it will be somewhat helpful for my course. I took it before joining MTech. So
Okay.
it will be helpful before joining MTech. Around 3 or 4 months I have after completing GATE. So in
Mm-hmm.
between I took that course and completed general science part,
Mm-hmm.
which helped me.
General science part, especially.
Is general science part of biology, physics,
Mm-hmm.
chemistry, and then
Okay.
static part.
Very good. Those are all
Thank you very much.
uh, areas where you got benefit from the course.
Yes,
Manoj, what about your
yes, sir.
future goals?
Sir, as it is the continuous process, I was in preparation for government examination. So I will just now focus for UPSC, ESC. So I will
Okay.
start preparing for that.
So what about local exams like Public Service Commission exams and all?
Sir, the Public Service Commission, I will prepare for that, sir, but I was not sure about that general studies part. So I gave that exam, but I was not fully confident in that examination. So
Once you concentrate, you can definitely hit it. There is not a big
yes, sir,
worry.
that is not a big worry. So I will plan sir accordingly. Recently, that environmental examination came, examination also came, and in Tirupati, TTD examinations also came.
Yes,
So
yes,
as for TTD exam, AEAWE examinations also came. So I will
yes.
start preparing for that if time permits for me.
And definitely because from
Yes,
third year onwards, you are on parallel boards.
yes, sir.
So preparation is not a, what do you say, standalone project for you.
Yes, sir.
You are taking the two boards parallelly. One is work
Yes,
or
sir.
study plus the preparation.
Yes,
So
sir.
definitely you can hit the target, Manoj.
Yes, sir.
So I wish you all the best. I
Thank you
wish
very
to
much, sir.
see you in a good position, very good position. And I
Thank you
wish
very
to
much.
see you in uh, topmost position of UPSC,
Okay, sir. Thank
UPSC
you very much.
ESC.
Okay.
So thank you for your time.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Manoj.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you very
from
much.
ACE Academy, thank you very much.
Thank
So
you
I
very much,
wish
sir.
you all the best.
Thank you very much.